Good morning all of you. I Razia Patan from Gnanmaji Vidyapit, standard 3rd. So students, today we'll start unit number 1. In that unit we'll start ascending order. What is the ascending order? So ascending order is numbers are said to be in ascending order when they are arranged from the smallest to largest number. हमें क्या करना है, नंबर्स को स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट नंबर में कन्वर्ट करना है. दैट मीन्स दैट्स कॉल्ड ascending order. Okay, so let's solve in an example. So in that, here arrange 3689, 2540, 187, 9561, 9542 in ascending order. We have to arrange this in the ascending order. How will arrange in the ascending order? So first of all, we have to draw so many blanks as the numbers been arranged. Okay, we have to draw the blanks. So here we have to, they are the 5 numbers. How many numbers are there? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is there. There are 5 numbers. So we will draw 5 blanks. How many blanks we will draw? 5 blanks we will draw. And then we have to write all the numbers in that place value box. We have to draw the place value box, and then we have to write that numbers in that particular place value. So we have to write that 3689 in that place, 2540, 187, 9561, 9542. Got it? And then compare the 1000 digit. First of all, we have to compare the 1000 digit. Now the numbers with the smallest 1000 digits is the smallest number. Okay, so in that 3, 2, 0, 9 and 9, smallest number is a 0. Smallest number is a 0. 0 is the smallest numbers in the 1000 digits. So we have to write 187 in the smallest number. Right, we are first blank. We have to write 187 in the first blank because of the 0 is the smallest digit. Then again we have to find smallest digit. 2 is the smallest second smallest 1000 digit. 2 is a second smallest 1000 digits is there. So 2540 is the second smallest number is there. So we have to write 2540 in the second blank. And then again we have to see that smaller digit. So 3 is the third smallest 1000 digits is there. 3 is the third smallest 1000 digits is there. So we have to write 3689 in the third blank. We have to write 3689 in the third blank. And then look at this, again 1000 is a small, both the numbers are same. So we have to check another place value 100. Again we have to check that. So both the numbers are there, 5 and 5. Both the numbers are there. Two numbers have to same 1000 digits and the 100 digits. Now we have to find two numbers have to same 100 digits also. So we have to look from the smallest 10 digits. Smallest 10 digit is a 6 and 1 is there. 6 and 4 is there. The smallest this is the 10th place is the 4. Smallest this is the 10th place is the 4. So we have to write 9542 is the fourth smallest digit is there. Write the 9442 in the fourth blank. And then we have to write the 9561 in the last blank. Okay, so students, now you know that how to arrange smallest to largest number. How to arrange smallest to largest number. Okay, so when we arrange the ascending order, that means we have to write smallest, bigger and bigger number. Smallest to largest number we have to write. Now look at this students, I'll give you one means you have to complete your work, and then we have to see another example. Your time start now students. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start another example. Now see, arrange the 7891, 5524, 7890, 2560, 502. We have to arrange this in the ascending order. So let's check. Now look at this, 502 is the smallest digit, so we have to write in the first blank. 2516, second small blank we have to write there. Then 5524 we have to write in the third blank. 7890 we have to write in the fourth blank. And then in the last we have to write 7891. So this is called the arrange the ascending order. So students, I'll give you a half an minutes, you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. These things you have to write in your maths notebook, and then we'll start another worksheet. That worksheet is worksheet number 18, page number 22. That worksheet will start. I hope so students, your work is complete. Now students will start worksheet number 18. In that worksheet, ascending order is there. Arrange the ascending order. Now you all are knowing what was the meaning of the ascending order. We have to arrange the smallest to largest number. Okay, we have to arrange the digit in that smallest to largest number. So in that, here is a question: 1689, 5840, 8817, 5561, 5562 is there. In arrange ascending order, we have to arrange it. Okay, so we'll check that. So students, first of all we have to identify that how many numbers are there. So there are the 5 numbers, so we have to draw the 5 blanks. How many blanks we have to draw? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. 5 blanks we have to draw. Then we have to write the numbers in the place value box of 1000, 100, ones and tens. So here numbers are there, that numbers ones, tens, 100 and 1000 is there. So we have to write 1689, 5840, 8817, 5561, 5562. We have to write that. Then we have to compare the 1000 number with the smallest 1000 in the smallest. So in that, 1 is the smallest 1000. 1 is the smallest 1000 is there. So 1689 is the smallest number. So we have to write the first blank. In that 1689, we have to write 1689 in the first blank. Look at for the highest 1000 digit. So in that, all the numbers in that 3, 5, 5 and 5, that 1000 digits are same. There are the 3 numbers with the same 1000. So we compare 100 place. In that 100 place, there are the 2 numbers with the same 100. There are the 2 numbers, 5561 and 5562. 2 numbers are same. So we have to compare the tens. Both the numbers have to the tens hands compares 1. So in that, both the numbers, now here look at this, 5561, 5562. Again both the numbers are same. Now what we have to do? So then we have to, 1 is the smallest ones. Now we have to check the ones place. So in that, 1 is the smallest ones. So 5561 less than 5562. Number left with the 5840 and 8870. So first of all we have to write 5561 in the second blank, 5562 in the third blank. In the fourth blank we have to write 5840, 5870 in the last blank. Now students, I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to complete your work. I will give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, your time start now. We have to write the answers only. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we will start next worksheet. Worksheet number 19. Now ascending order, worksheet number 19. Arrange the numbers in the ascending order. How will arrange? Now look at this: 3622, 1087, 2738 is there. So first of all we have to write the smallest digit number is there. Smallest number is the 1087. So we have to write in the first blank 1087. Then we have to write the 3622 and 2738. Second smallest digit is the 2738 is there. So we have to write here 2738. In the third blank we have to write 3622 is there. Then second one is 8627, 9826, 2080 is there. So smallest digits we have to write first. Smallest number is a 2018. We have to write here. Then 8627 we have to write in the second blank. In the last blank we have to write 9826 is there. Then students, third one question is 5261, 5217, 5180, 5371 is there. So first of all we have to write 5180 in the first blank. Second smallest digit is a 5261. We have to write in the second blank. 5217 we have to write in the third blank. 5371 we have to write in the fourth blank. Next number is a 7281, 2831, 7728, 5371 is it. So in the first blank we have to write 5180, 5261, 5217. In the last we have to write 5371 is it. In now third one is 7281, 2838, 7728, 5927 is there. Smallest digit number is the 2838 is there. So we have to write here 2831. Then next number is a 5927. We have to write here 5927 in the second blank. Third one we have to write 7281. We have to write in the third blank. In the last we have to write 7787. Then now next one is a 2038, 2103, 2837, 2495, 2081 is. So first of all, we have to write the smallest digit number is there. Smallest number is 2038. Second one smallest number is 2081. Third one is 2103. Next is 2495. 2837 is there. Then 1365, 2311, 4312, 4762, 4752 is there. So we have to write the smallest digit number. Smallest digit number is a 1365. Second one number is a 2311. Third one is a 4312, 4756, 4762 is there. So students, this is the ascending order. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your workbook, page number 19, worksheet number 19, page number 23. You have to complete this. I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to complete your work. Okay students, your time start now. Okay students, now we'll start next question. Next question is draw the blank and arrange the numbers in the ascending order. So here is a different numbers are there. We have to arrange these numbers in the ascending order. First one question is 6712, 2176, 7682, 7676, 2316 is there. So here is how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to draw 5 lines first. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 lines. After this we have to write smallest digit number. Smallest digit number is 2176. Next smallest digit number is 2360, 6712, 7676, 7682 is it. Got it? Then next number is 7689, 9803, 4587, 1319 is it. So we have to here is how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 digits is there. So we have to draw the 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 lines we have to draw. Then we have to write 1319, 4587, 7689, 9803 is there. Got it? Then 1783, 2983, 4765 is there. 3 digits are there, so we have to draw 3 blanks. 1, 2, 3 blanks we have to draw. Then we have to write 1783, 2800, 2983, 4765. Like that. Next we have to complete 9954, 1023, 1092, 2892, 2023 is there. Then 23, 1083, 183, 2321, 2314. Like that we have to write. Now students, I'll give you 1.5 minutes. You have to write this in your workbook. Page number 23, worksheet number 19. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 19, and that worksheet you have to send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. That is your homework. You have to complete your homework and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.